Hey folks, welcome to the Netherlands.
This is the first installment of our brand new series, Motorhomies.
Strap yourselves in.
Right then, away we go.
Oh yeah.
After a day of flying, we've touched down in Dutchtown.
Our current whereabouts, a town 150 kilometres from Amsterdam known as Hoogeveen.
Behind us is our home for the next 8 weeks and how we'll be exploring Eastern Europe.
We're kind of throwing ourselves in the deep end here because this is the first time either of us have tackled a road trip like this.
As some of you may know, we love storytelling, which is why we're really excited to bring you along for the ride.
You can follow our journey by subscribing to this channel or following us on our socials. While you're doing that, I reckon Jake would like to take you for a little tour. What do you say, mate?
Yeah, go on. Come on. As you enter our humble abode, you'll notice it's quite spacious.
Up top, we have Jake's room.
I love those high ceilings.
And down below, the cockpit.
In the middle of our girl, it's a 3-in-1. A romantic dinner for 2.
It'll be our editing suite.
And Senor's kitchen.
That's right, mate. We have then got a grand bathroom.
Every time you shower, everything gets wet.
To round things off, I'm at the other end.
In his little race car bed.
Very comfy. The time has come, folks.